How to avoid financial pitfalls when separating shared debts. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the most common and risky financial challenges in divorce is dividing shared debts. Credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, and even joint lines of credit can become serious problems if not handled properly. The key is to not just agree on who pays what, but to separate the debt in a way that protects your credit and your financial future. Start by pulling a full credit report to identify every shared debt. Many couples forget about old accounts, authorized user cards, or joint obligations that are still open. Once you've identified the debts, figure out which ones can be paid off, which can be refinanced, and which will need to be formally divided through the divorce agreement. The biggest pitfall is assuming that if your divorce judgment says your ex is responsible for a certain debt, you're in the clear. That's not how lenders see it. If your name is still on the account, the creditor can still come after you, regardless of what the court order says. That's why it's crucial to either pay off or refinance any joint debts before or shortly after the divorce is finalized. Another common issue is missed payments during the transition. Even one late payment can hurt your credit score, so make sure someone is responsible for keeping all shared accounts current until they're fully separated. Consider freezing shared accounts and setting clear timelines in your divorce judgment for when debts must be paid off, refinanced, or closed. We worked with a client whose ex stopped paying on a shared credit card, even though the court ordered him to handle it. Her credit took a hit, and she ended up having to cover the balance just to protect her score. We helped her file a motion to recover the funds, but it would have been much smoother if the account had been closed or refinanced sooner. At Divorce 661, we help you avoid these types of financial surprises by walking you through exactly how to divide and protect yourself from shared debts. We draft divorce agreements that are clear, enforceable, and realistic, so you're not left dealing with someone else's financial mistakes. If you're getting divorced and want to avoid the pitfalls of separating debt, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you make a clean financial break and move forward with peace of mind.